plants mature, they burst into a riot of colors, signaling that it's time for harvest. Farmers pluck the ripe spices by hand, a labor-intensive process, but one that ensures only the best quality spices are selected. From vibrant red chilies to golden turmeric, each spice is harvested with precision and care. After harvest, the spices embark on their next adventure, drying. This process requires a delicate balance of heat and time. Too much heat can burn the spices, while too little can leave them moist and susceptible to mold. The dried spices are then sorted and cleaned, ready for the next stage in their journey. Grinding is where the magic truly happens. The dried spices are ground into a fine powder, releasing their full aroma and flavor. The grinding process transforms the spices from their raw form into the familiar powders we find in our kitchen cabinets. Once ground, the spices are packed and sealed in airtight containers to preserve their freshness. They are then loaded onto trucks, ships, and planes, ready to be transported to markets around the world. Upon reaching their destination, the spices are displayed in markets, grocery stores, and online platforms. They catch your eye with their vibrant colors and tantalizing aromas, inviting you to take them home. Finally, these spices reach your kitchen, ready to add a dash of flavor to your dishes. From the farm to your table,